It's morning, and we slept the night away. It happened, now we can't turn back the hands of time. I know I got sleep in my eye and everything. Good morning. Um, yeah, I know I look a hot mess. It's all good. My son pulled out my twist this morning. So it's morning time. Um, what's up with y'all? Coming to y'all fresh about the bed. Fresh about the bed. Because today I worked my first 3 to 11 shift at the hospital as a patient transporter. Child, we just trying to break into the health industry. Let me give y'all a quick update. So we took a class in phlebotomy at a school. We'll talk about that at another day and time. My goal is to get a job as a phlebotomist, but hold on, is to get a job as a phlebotomist, right? But baby girl ain't had no healthcare experience, like no patient care experience. So my thoughts were, if I get a job, just any old job in a hospital, something like that, while I'm searching for the phlebotomy job or the place that's going to hire me, hopefully having this, patient care position or this hospital position will assist me in making this come up. So we shall see. I'm gonna take y'all along for the ride. But while we riding, currently at this present moment today, right here, right now, this morning, I am making, I don't know, I wake up like this. I did have some coffee. But I am making the infamous oatmeal that I always make. I know people be like, I know y'all be like, you be making some simple behind stuff. Talking about some infamous. Like, when I say my oatmeal is the bomb.com, it's the bomb.com. And I'm going to show you why. So, start off with the milk, baby. Start off with the milk, baby. Don't use water. No. Use milk. Second ingredient. Okay? We lactose in here. Alright? We is lactated. Okay? That's how you know we real black, okay? We can't drink the cow's milk. So I discovered sweetened condensed coconut milk. So that's what's in the pot right now. Instead of using water, use the milk, baby. I don't measure nothing. Ancestors just told me to stop. If it's more in here, nope, it's perfect. It's perfect. Watch. Look at that. Perfect milk to oat ratio. The night away as we lay. Whoa, we forgot about tomorrow as we lay. Mm-hmm. Hey, hey, as we lay. Now, I usually have vanilla to put in here, but I'll be going ham with the vanilla, y'all. Like, I love vanilla. But, so, today we just going to put the nutmeg in there. It'll give it a nice holiday feel. Alright, so I'm back. Added a little more milk because the milk had cooked off. But, as you see, it's creamy. When you use milk, it makes your oatmeal creamy. Who don't want creamy oatmeal? Okay? And in like 2 minutes, I'm going to take out my portion, take out my son's portion, call it a day. Oatmeal is ready. It been ready, right? But, see? That's what you want. That's what you want. Use the milk, baby. Use the milk. I'll talk to y'all later.